Ang focus ng development ng ating career courses would be leaders and planners.
So in 7 specified tasks, prepare to attack enemy forces in CR upon completion of the brigade mission.
This is the highest difficulty area, sir. Pag ma-open natin ito, sir, we have advantage sa kalaban, sir.
Kasi yung control ko na naman ito, may sasabihin natin ito.
Ako kasi MP, sir, ako yung nag-lead ng convoy, sir, from assembly area going to...
So, nag-cross na yung tropa dito sa...
Coordination na ako, sir, before going na rin sa higher government natin sa brigade, sir, na coordinated na ito ng mga ayos, sir. At the same time, sir, kung isipin po, sir, na
yung katakan ng dali, yung papunod na may stop.
preposition at 0 to 21, sir. Punta dito, sir, nakakasya po dito sa asan ka na ginawa sa
gagawin pa nila, sir, at saka i-correct din may mga typo din, sir. Kaya medyo ano pa rin, sir.
Iko-consider, sir. Kumukonekta naman, sir, sa consideration. Hindi lang siya SQ or sa nagpaklang.
Remind them now, technologically superior natin.
Kasi mayroon si Sename at papasok sa yung mga media. Kasama na rin ako doon sa tatlong personnel. Tapos kasama ko yung on-board.
Ba't kami lang? Yan. Hindi ko kaya kasi
Huwag na kayo lumaban!
ito, tsaka yung MX State na 25 meters possibly.
Hindi nila makontrol yung mga ideas. Hindi pa ganun kalalim yung understanding. Ano yung counter nila?
Bali si Task Force 84, sir. Attacks to destroy objective Sun, sir. Bali for info, sir. Si Task Force 84, sir. Mag-air assault po siya, sir.
I may never bleed from a bullet. I may never march in the infantry. May never see the walls of a prison. Held hostage by the hand of the enemy. But I'm a protector, defender, and fighter. And the battle belongs to the Lord. I'm marching on. I'm marching on into the valley. Marching on. I'm marching on. I'm marching on. I am a soldier marching on. I'm marching on a different kind. The war isn't waged against flesh and blood. I'm taking up the sword of the spirit until the day that the king comes. I'm protector, defender, and fighter for the truth. And when my life's on the line, follow through. So no matter when, no matter when, no matter what, I am a soldier. And it's love that I'm fighting for. I am a soldier. The battle belongs to the Lord. I'm marching on. I'm marching on into the valley. Marching on. I'm marching on. I'm marching on. I am a soldier marching on to the wounded warrior, weary soul. Keep holding the line and don't let go. Though the sweat runs down and the heart grows weak, we fight for the side, make the victory.
It's a peace communication also as well, sir, with the company commander, sir, on...
Nagkaroon lang kasi, sir, ng communication sa... Nagkaroon ng delay ng communication, sir.
At least nandun yung confidence nyo na about dito. As a student ng trade, meron din kami ganito. Same scenario. Pero ang kalaban namin, kalaban niya.
I'm marching on, I'm marching